why playing a lifeboat, right, and we're gonna play some Hunger Games. Now I'm just waiting for everything to load. There's everyone freezing or whatever. I'm just gonna join in one if it's. Ooh, look, they made three more servers. Ooh, now I'm gonna join. Now let's join, and we're waiting. Oh, ooh, game is gonna start in 3 seconds. Wow, I was gonna team up with people, but I don't got time. I ain't got no time. Okay, now let's just wait. And time is done, and then we could go and kill people like a little monster freaks. Last time I played and I got wait. No, I don't got time. Go! Go! Ah, give everything I can. I don't got any time. Flood and steel. Okay, I'll take it. I barely gotta put on some armor. No, 15 seconds. I can't make nothing. Okay, bye. Shoot, no one's gonna disturb me. Oops. Run. Let's go. I don't wanna die. Bye. I wanna find some chests. Bye.
Pause the video, please.
Okay, let's go. Bye. I cannot die. Ooh, chest. What kind of good things are in here? Wow. Chucha wow. Now let's just put on some deathmatch. It's gonna be in 7 minutes. Good. This one. My boots. Okay, that's everything. Ooh, someone just got the first kill. Go. Ooh, there's a chest. What's in here? Armor! Better armor than I have. Okay, let me put on this and that. Ooh, now you need some fats. Now, bye. Okay, now let's see. Find a chest. A diamond. Good stuff. I just need to find one more diamond and some sticks. Can I find that? If I could, that would be great. Then I can make a diamond sword. And if I can't find sticks, bad luck. Anyone here? Yes, let's see a chest. Oh, no, it's not a chest. What's in there? Nothing. Chest. Come on, please. Be sticks. Sticks! Now I can find. Yes.
Then you need a crafting table.
Now I need to go and find the crafting table. It's in the middle. I know that. I need to go in the middle. I also need to find a diamond if it is in the middle. If it is, great! Oh, someone shut up. I see someone. She's coming for me. Ah, run. I can't check at my back. Is anyone in the middle? If no one's in the middle, great! No one's in the middle. Another girl. No one's following me. Good. Nothing, no, it hasn't refilled yet. I could try and find some chests right here. I was waiting until chat says refilled chest. Because I only have 5 minutes until a deathmatch. Because I really need to find a diamond. One more diamond and then I could grab a crafting table. Which I just found. Come on, we could. Can I try and find? When is chest gonna refill? I was trying to look for some chests here. Nothing. No, nothing. Come on, chest, refill. Chest, are you gonna refill or not? When? I really need to give myself a diamond. Chest, I refilled. Yes. And a boy and a girl's here and a girl's here.
You got the diamond.
She has a diamond. Yes. Yes. Good. That, and I need to make a diamond sword. Where is it? Where did it go? Where is it? Where is it? Where did it go? Where did my diamond sword go?
It fell down somewhere.
Here it is. So good. I thought I lost it. I need to take these pants and I need to be ready. Good. Goodies. I got some good goodies. Now you eat. Hungry. Come on, eat. Eat. Why can I not even eat? Okay, good. Now let's see. Can we find more victims? Anyone here? Anyone else here? Ooh, up top of there. Can I get up there? No. 5 more players remaining. Come on, any more? Any more people trying to sneak up on me? Ooh, a chest. Which is an apple. I could take the apples. 4 more players remaining. Okay, good. I'm not dead yet. Anyone here? Hi? Hello? Anyone there? I see a chest. Oh no, I think it was a chest. 2 more minutes until deathmatch. Please survive until deathmatch.
I saw someone.
Okay. Why is it lagging? It's getting really laggy. I'm just gonna go. If someone gets another a diamond sword as well, oh my god.
3 players remaining.
2 more players remaining. Good. Come on, anyone else here? Come on. I guess we try to get some more diamonds. And I can make some diamond boots, probably. Anyone else? 1 more minute till deathmatch. Good. Wait, can we use these? No, we can't. I don't actually need anything else.
And diamond boots.
Diamond boots, yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna find 4 in each chest. There's nothing in there. Nothing in there either.
Because they took all the diamonds.
I'll take some of the bread. Actually, I only found 1 diamond. 1, and I need to find 4. 0 in there. 0 in there, and 0 in there. I only found 1, but I don't need to take it. I'm not trying to find anyone. There is anyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deathmatch begins now.
You killed him.
Shit. Kill him. Yes! I have won! I won! Yes! Now let's see, what other match can we join?
And you should end the video.
Oh, 1 more. There's another duel. Let's go here. Let me check how much a minute. I'm a team. What is this? What is the compass for?
That means you can find chests.
This chest over there. 30 more seconds. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I see a chest over there. I don't see. Ah! Ah, shit. Give me the boats. Give me all these fucking.
Honey, what's the camera called?
Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Honey, what is the camera called? You know?
Sticks.
Honey.
What?
What's that called? The camera.
I don't know.
What's it called?
I need to find a weapon. I'll tell you in a second. Run! Run! Who got the first strike? I see a chest. How do I get up there? That guy is powerful. No! No! Ah. I died. Sorry guys, I think that's all the time I have. Thank you guys for watching, and please do enjoy and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button down below in your face. And thank you for watching. Bye.